Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto and finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pretty boring news day in the crypto markets in particular. However, there's always something bullish going on in the background, and we've got a $14 trillion earthquake, guys, that is going to hit the crypto markets. The whales and big institutions are buying up the dip as we speak. Anyway, we do have some updates on XRP again. I'm very bullish on it. I mean, I'm not too concerned about the price dipping. I mean, all of cryptos is dipping today. Even my stock portfolio is dipping today. Doesn't matter. I'm still bullish. Long term, you have to think long term. We've got the Coinbase chief legal officer slamming the SEC. They need to be in a boxing ring or something. I think all the XRP army, I think all crypto in general should just get Gary Gensler and his goon squad, the SEC, into the boxing ring. I'm just saying, we'll do like Rocky, 6 or something? Anyway, we've got the Fed leaving interest rates on hold at the moment in the United States. That happened in Australia last month, and then bang, we copped it again. We've got the Hong Kong Monetary Authority pushing for crypto. The president of Brazil is actually signing something very interesting for crypto firms. We've got the US prosecutors, again, Sam Bankman-Fried, our good friend there who stole billions of dollars from everybody, now being prosecuted. So we'll go through that. And of course, we've got Chair Gary Gensler coming out again telling hedge funds that Ethereum and Litecoin are not securities and a whole range of stuff. But anyway, let's get into the video, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come on this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? Make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, okay? Now, the formalities are out of the way, and I just wanted to say I've just hit 58,000 subscribers, so thank you very much to those 58,000 people. You guys absolutely rock. Thank you very much. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do this every single day, and that's no BS, all right? Honestly, thank you very much. You absolutely rock. Now, community tab. Now, I do put the stocks on my from my portfolio that were up today. We had Virgin Galactic, we had Nike, we had Intel, Apple, and Starbucks. For those New York Stock Exchange people, all right? And there's a lot of you out there, I know that. But the top altcoins in my portfolio now, Ubix Network, we had Nextra, we had Ravane, Solo, and Lunk. Lunar Classic has been popping its head up quite a bit. Now, let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, as well as OKX. They are both obviously official partners of the channel, so thank you very much, Coinspot and OKX. Official links are below. If you use Coinspot here in Australia, and if you are new to Coinspot in Australia, you will get $10 in Bitcoin if you use that referral link below, all right? So that's up to you. Do your own research. Now, prices are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD, but guys, the crypto market has freaking tanked today. I love it. I really do, okay? And I'll tell you the reason why, because I love when there's red. It just means gains. This is what happens. Now, Bitcoin's down 4.26% to 37,000 Australian dollars today. Ethereum's at 2,400, down 6%. XRP at 71 cents today. We've got Sol at 22, Litecoin 109. This is getting pretty juicy. It really is, guys. Let me just get out of there. We've got Chainlink at $7 as well. XLM is 11 cents. ICP $5. Hedera's at 6 cents. We've got VeChain doing absolutely nothing for about 2 years. Anyway, I'm still bullish on it. ALGO is at 16 cents. Moving down some other faves of mine. Of course, we have Theta at 94 cents. Axie's at $7. Lunar Classic, literally the only one in the green today, guys. I do hold Lunar Classic. I don't care. I bought it when the crash happened with UST. Chili's again, 9 cents. Now, I do have some bots set up in the Patreon with that one, and it's going quite well. The bots are still trading, and they love volatile markets, to be quite honest with you, because when the price drops, the bot buys, and it sells when it goes up. Automatic. Can't complain. Link below. Patreon. Join it. And we've got Casper at 6 cents as well. XDC's at 4 cents. And of course, we have Pepe down 9.24% today as well. Now, some other altcoins, of course, XY I'm very bullish on. Down 6% as well. And of course, Reef. Now, I haven't spoken about Reef for a while. That's down 2.47%. Under a cent. I'm trying to accumulate this as much as possible. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Yes, the Wall Street Bull University, guys. This is my official Patreon page. Again, I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, my indicators, the news before I go live on the channel, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. I am documenting in the Patreon everything that I'm doing. I'm not selling any courses. It's just one membership. And more importantly, I love talking with everyone in there directly. It just makes it so much easier. And it's so much better than Discord when you've got like 20 or 30,000 people. I can speak to everyone directly in there. So a lot of people have been speaking to me and I love it. So join up, join the community. It is growing every single day. I love it. Love speaking with everyone, and of course, speaking to everyone on the channel. Now, crypto bubbles on the day. Obviously, we've got Trust Wallet token, again, 9.5%. Not really interested, 82 cents USD, by the way. And obviously, we've got Casper, not that Casper, 11% on the day, 25 on the week. Can't complain about those gains at 1 cent USD. Now, when I see this, I love buying opportunities. Litecoin, guys, 72 US dollars. There is a halving event happening with this one. This one, I might throw in some money. We'll see what happens, guys. 72 US dollars is nice. And of course, we have some other favorites, which I can't really see them at the moment because I'm going blind because I'm on my computer too much. Anyway, Hedera, 4 cents. Cheap, in my opinion. Very, very bullish. What else have we got here, guys? Let's have a look. Chainlink. I love Chainlink. 2.3% down to $5 USD. This is nuts. Very, very good buying opportunities. And of course, XDC right here in the bottom corner, down 1% here to 3 cents. That one's just, I've just been slowly accumulating XDC in my, I mean, it's incredible. It should already be up to levels of XRP, 50, 47 cents right here, down 6% today. Not really worried about this. Now, again, moving on. I want to get into this quickly because there's not much to talk about today other than this, really, to be honest with you. But $14 trillion earthquake. Fidelity, BlackRock are quietly laying the groundwork for the next Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP crypto price bull run right here, which is enormous. It is absolutely huge, guys. But again, amid the brutal crypto winter, there is raised almost $2 trillion of value from the market. Two of the world's largest financial institutions with a combined $14 trillion in assets under management, Fidelity and BlackRock, are quietly expanding into the world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency. I wonder why. And at BlackRock, we continue to explore the digital asset ecosystem, especially areas most relevant to our clients, such as permissioned blockchains right here, and tokenizing of stocks and bonds. Now, that'd be wild when that happens. Larry Fink, chief executive of the world's largest asset manager, wrote in his annual letter, shareholders adding very interesting developments are happening in the digital asset space. And last year, Fink predicted crypto's blockchain technology will usher in the next generation for markets after signing a major deal with Bitcoin and crypto exchange Coinbase. Meanwhile, Fidelity Investments has now opened up its crypto trading platform to its 37 million users right here to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. Commission free, of course. Nothing's for free. Come on, man. We all know it's not freaking free. They take fees everywhere and they're hidden. We don't even know. But anyway, this is really bullish. Now, I'm surprised that Vanguard is not getting into this, by the way. And they're like, Vanguard and BlackRock literally own the freaking planet. And if you haven't looked up the video, go look it up. They control every single company on the planet. They have a massive share in every single company. Go look it up. Now, we've got XRP tumbling 8% today, erasing the price gains from the Human Emails and Ripple lawsuit right here. And the token fell as low as 46.18 cents. Its lowest level in this month right here as the crypto market sold off on Wednesday afternoon. I'm not really worried about that. Everyone, can I just say, I just want to point out, I get so many messages, why is the price not pumping? Guys, you need to think freaking long term here. You can't think short term, long term. The full utility and, everything in terms of crypto in general, we're still freaking early in this space and everyone's so impatient. The full utility and adoption of XRP in general is just the beginning right now. We haven't even seen the start of this. And this is because of this lawsuit with the SEC. But anyway, the token fell as low as 46.18 cents, its lowest level this month, according to CoinDesk. An XRP price hit almost 56 cents on Tuesday as traders bet on the much-anticipated document release. And I wasn't really betting on it, really. I've been holding it for so long, and a lot of you have as well. But long-term, guys, you got to understand patience. Have some patience. I've had friends that have made millions of dollars in Dogecoin because they bought it, 4 or 5 years ago. Come on. Anyway, we got Coinbase chief legal officer slamming the SEC for flawed plan for exchange registration. Anyway, Coinbase has taken a defiant stance against the SEC and obviously proposed definition of change. In a bold move, Paul Grewal, the company's chief legal officer, has accused the regulator of preemptively imposing its authority on basing its proposed rules on unsubstantiated assumptions about cryptocurrency jurisdiction. The clash between Coinbase and the SEC highlights the growing tension between the crypto industry and regulatory bodies, igniting a fervent right here debate about the future of digital assets. Now, again, obviously, they're going to want exchanges to register. They're like banks now anyway. Now, you've got the US Fed leaves policy on hold, ending long string of rate hikes. This is not going to be for long. They did it in Australia last month, and they slammed it again with a 25 basis points rise. And I can honestly say this is going to happen in the United States again. But the US Central Bank has previously raised rates at 10 consecutive meetings, spanning the previous 15 months. And again, the move by the Fed's obviously open market committee was almost universally anticipated by the markets, and the price of Bitcoin was little change in the minutes following the news, just under 26K. And obviously, guys, this goes on to inflation and whatnot, and I just think it's a big freaking joke. I mean, this is all in a sense to crash everything and bring in the CBDC. That's my opinion anyway. This is going to happen globally. It's happening in Australia as well. Now, you've got the Hong Kong Monetary Authority urges banks to service crypto firms. This is forward thinking like the UAE and other countries like the UK, Japan, everywhere else but the United States. But the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, the city's central bank, is urging lenders such as HSBC, Standard Chartered, and Bank of China to provide services to crypto exchanges right here, according to the Financial Times. And the three banks were questioned by HKMA right here at a May meeting on why they were not accepting crypto exchanges as clients, according to the Financial Times. Demand for the banking services from Hong Kong crypto firms is one on the rise, especially after the city introduced a new licensing regime for virtual asset services providers on June 1st. So, I mean, it's really nice to see countries actually moving forward with this. Now, President of Brazil, I'm not going to go into this too much, but President of Brazil signs decree giving central bank control over crypto firms. And according to the bill, the Central Bank of Brazil has control over crypto firms while the CVM handles tokens that are securities. Interesting. Prosecutors obviously still going after Sam Bankman-Fried. Where is he, man? He's probably looking disheveled somewhere in his parents' house. I don't know. Who gives a shit? To be honest with you, just give us our money back. And the DOJ lawyers said a decision came following litigation filed by FTX co-founder in the Bahamas protesting the additional charges, which could be lengthy. Well, what do you expect? But the US prosecutors say SBF will be tried on original 8 criminal charges for now. Whew. Anyway, Chair Gensler telling hedge funds that Ethereum and Litecoin are not securities in a 2018 video. And this is surface showing the Securities Exchange Commission Chairman Gensler telling an audience of institutional investors that 4 cryptocurrencies are not securities. That is XRP, buddy. Anyway, and the 75% of the overall crypto market at the time was outside their legal category. That legal category is a security. XRP, we know it's not a security. Anyway, moving on, we've got Cryptometer.io, guys. Yes, this video is going to be short, but again, this freaking website, I don't know why it does this. Wait for it to refresh. And there we go. No, it's still stuff. Monero. We've got Bitcoin, of course. We have Uni and Filecoin as well as XRP there, which is really nice. I do apologize about the colors. Let's go to Twitter, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. It is pretty bland today in the news, to be honest with you. I am giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs. We've got, obviously, the US Fed keeps interest rates unchanged at 5.25%. Which is interesting. And of course, we've got Bitcoin culture again. Did you know that while the SEC is busy suing Binance and Coinbase, BlackRock and the biggest banks in the US slightly bought record amounts of Bitcoin right here? I wonder where Vanguard is. I really am. I'm curious. Anyway, Justin USDT loses parity right here with the US dollar hits 99 cents. Yeah. Anyway, it fluctuates all the time in Australia, by the way. I mean, our dollar just goes up and down. You know, it could be $1.50, it could be $1.40 per 1 USD. Interesting. Bitcoin slid under 25,000 on Thursday, and as losses on major tokens XRP and ADA extended as much as 7.4% in the last 24 hours. Not really worried. It's not a bear market. Chill. XDC is playing a role in Dubai's journey to become the Silicon Valley of the Middle East. And check out the latest article on Golf News to learn more about XDC's empowering Dubai's ambitious transformations. Very, very bullish. Thank you, XDC Network News. We've got Bitcoin right here, and Russia and China might legalize crypto business soon. Of course they will. Hong Kong's central bank again pursuing major banking institutions, including HSBC and Standard Chartered, obviously to accept crypto exchanges. And again, very interesting here from Joel Katz and Digital Asset Investor. Big fan of the channels. Nobody who claims XRP and the XRP ledger is not sufficiently decentralized because of Ripple's control over the ever described for any specific threat users want decentralized to protect against. Precisely how Ripple could use its supposed control to cause that harm, it cannot be done. Very, very nice. Now we have a quick video on Visa. I'm going to play this. This is basically Ripple and XRP. Listen to this.
Visa Plus Pay Name, which allows her colleagues to pay her back using their app of choice. No need to switch between payment apps. No additional app downloads or account setup required. No awkward follow-up texts. Easy. Since Lisa received all of the money from lunch into one app, she has the money on hand for when she needs it. So when Lisa goes to buy a bike from Michael, Michael doesn't have to worry about which payment app Lisa uses. He simply sends Lisa his Visa Plus Pay Name and receives payment on his preferred app. No need to provide personal info.
Very nice. And of course, we've got Ripple and Visa right here. That is literally right there. You can see it as clearly as daylight right there. Visa. Very good. And of course, we've got It's Time to Build a Strong Crypto Industry right here in the US. Know who gets that right here. The great state spelled Ohio. Very, very nice. And of course, we've got BlackRock right here. Trillions and trillions of dollars under management actually buying cryptos, and I believe it. Now, the bots on OKX, guys, yes, this is all on the Patreon. My setups, they're down today. My Pepe bot's still up, 292 USDT. I'm not worried about that. Bitcoin down 41 USDT. And of course, Litecoin, I have got some positions open up on that. That is all on the Patreon. Join up for that one. And of course, the entire market is down. This is my portfolio. Only coins up are Rev, Lunk, Kin, and Casper. And of course, where my focus is the banking coins. Absolute no-brainer in my opinion. But here we go right here. There's no gainers. Today, I'm not worried about that. Long term, love to see XRP absolutely go parabolic. It is at still 7,915% in all-time returns. Mental. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll speak to everyone in the Patreon because I'm going to be putting some stuff up very soon. And comments and the community tab. Make sure you follow me on social media as well. Have a good night. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. All right, guys? Peace out. Bye.